This is the latest version 2, much better, more reliable. It should actually work tonight. 12 volt solar recharging lighthouse beacon. It's gonna look a lot better at night, of course, but I got some solar powered spotlights. I got the solar panel covered in foil so you can see it in operation today. Same thing with the photocell unit there. Got a little lithium battery, 6 amp hour, water resistant enclosure. This rotating light, rotating about 6 RPM. If I want to slow it down, I could get a motor speed control, but I think this is pretty good right now. Made out of plywood, PVC, some bolts. Got a, you can't really see under there, but 12 volt, 6 RPM geared motor, a 6-inch ball bearing turntable, and yeah, this rotates around, and it's gonna look like a lighthouse beacon tonight. And that's going up on, let's zoom in here. It's going up on that tall metal structure there. That's lighthouse by a metal sculptor named Shig. He passed away a few years ago, but it'll actually have a rotating light on it tonight.